Okay, so we have the major seventh, the minor seventh, and the seventh chord itself. Okay, so now what is the seventh chord? The seventh chord is a chord you add your toe, that is your flat seven. Let's say, for instance, this is the key of a D. This is the key of D. So when you run your scale from your root here, do, di, la, so, okay, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, si. So you have your toe here, which is your flat seven. So if you want to hold your seventh chord, your D seventh chord, you hold it this way instead of your major do chord like this. Okay, you hold it this way like this. You add the seventh there, the flat seventh there, which is the do. So you hold it your root, your D, your flat seven, and your do. Okay, that is your do, mi, do, do. Okay. That is your seventh chord, your D7 chord, okay? You have many places you can hold it there. You can hold it on this shape. This is your key of D on this fret, okay? I think that should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the 10th fret, your so that is your major 7 there. Instead of your normal do chord like this, you take out the do here, take out the do here, and make the do to pronounce. So you can hold it like this. That is another shape. Okay, so this is your root, the key of D. So if you play from okay, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. So you have your toe here. So you can from this on this shape now you can hold your do, sol, do, mi, sol, do, mi. Okay. So from here you can have your seventh chord, your D7, or you can hold it this way. Okay, you can hold it this way also. Okay, that is applicable to all the keys. Your D sharp, the same thing. E, the same thing, key of E. F, the same thing, F sharp. G sharp. A sharp, B. Okay, and C. Okay, it's applicable to all the keys. Okay, that is your seventh chord. Your seventh chord. We have the seventh chord. We have the major seventh chord. We have the minor seventh chord. Okay, so that is your seventh chord. D7. Your D7. Okay, so now how to use this seventh chord in your improvisation? Let's say, for instance, you are playing the key of D. The key of G. Okay, this is your key of G. Remember, you have your saw here on this shape. This is your key of D. This is your key of G. Remember, you have your saw here, and your saw is in the key of D. Do, so, do. Okay, so let's say you play something like you are the Lord, that is your name. You will never share your. You know the song, right? You are the Lord, that is your name. You will never share your glory with any man. You will never share your glory with anybody. Okay, that is for advanced playing. So when I play, you will never do. I add my seventh here. Da, da. Okay, go to my va, add my to there again. That is the C7 again. Okay, that is the C7. This is the key of C. guitar in the key of G. So it's C7. So when you play your normal C, then this is your toe on the second string, so you can add your toe there. Okay. You will never share your love. I play my G7 now. Okay, you can hold it like this. I play just like playing Re. Okay, just like playing Re. But I play the major way. I play the major way. That is the A major 7. That is the A7, sorry. I play A7. Then move to my D7 now. That is your saw chord now. Move to my D7. I pull on from the La to the saw on the 5th string. La to the saw. And I play that this thing there. That D7 there. Okay, I play that D7. Okay, then my 1 chord. From the you will never share your glory. G7 to C7. I play A7, D7, then Do. Okay, so I play once again so you can hear. That is how you can use the 7th chord, okay, in your improvisation. So wherever you don't understand, you can drop it down in the comment section. I will give you the reply as soon as possible, okay? Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.